this pattern has indicated for Bitcoin to drop every single time it has broken out. It does have a retracement, but do we see this dropping lower in the current next price prediction? What are the key levels and what is the pattern overall? What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another Coin Bureau trading video, and the simple one is the trend line breakout. Now this trend line breakout is basically where price hits this trend line multiple times. It has confirmed the trend line, which means it's actually a valid trend line, and from there it's had a breakout of that structure and then a movement to that direction of that price. So in this case, what we're actually looking at is we've actually had multiple tests here. So 1, 2, 3 rejected, and then the fourth time broken out and then melted all the way down to the next key level. Now when we're looking at the next key levels, we can see that they had a box section here at 29,400. It came all the way as low as 25k, which was where the next key level is. We then had another breakout out of this pattern, but it did not come nowhere near as low to the previous low of 25k. But what it did do was come up to the other key level, which is at 26k. And then currently right now we have another breakout of the trend line, and we're looking at, are we going to come to this next key level, or is it going to come out into this key level here and then bounce? So really and truly what we can identify from pattern recognition is on every other trend line breakout, we've definitely had a move to the downside. So we've now got our initial move to the downside. What we need to see is if there is going to be a continuation. So if we are going to have a continuation, what we really need to see is a break below the 26,800 and then push below. Now if we are going to break lower, we also need to break the 26k mark. Now this is where next couple of days we really want to pay attention to this, because if we can break below, then finally we are waiting for this massive breakout from the 24k mark or on the 30k mark. So that's the price where price has been trading all year since March until now. Price has not broken out of these major key areas. So with this trend line breakout, we can see and identify, cool, we've got this breakout and we've got the momentum. Can we push lower? Now diving into a further analysis from this, I generally believe we could go lower. I've been waiting for the lower. I believe that we can break down, even though there's been some bullish momentum and that 30k could be retested. I am still waiting for a breakout onto the downside because of the accumulation. Now when I say the accumulation, what I can see is from the daily time frame, we are rejecting these highs and we've made lower lows and lower highs. If we go on to the 4-hour time frames, the moving averages, so we've got this black one here and this blue one here, are more onto the bearish side. So if we're more onto the bearish side, we're making lower lows and lower highs, and we're kind of losing that momentum and volume. That sell signal is there for me. But I really want to wait for the 26.8k to be broken. Once the 28.6k has been broken, that can be an amazing trade idea. And that brings us on to the day trading section. So on the day trading section side of things, if you didn't know, these are kind of trade ideas I give to you on a daily basis for you guys to learn and earn. By the way, guys, don't forget to check out our exclusive bonus with Bybit, where there's up to $40,000 bonuses, 0% maker fee, and up to $30 airdrop as well. So link in the description. I look forward to you joining the team. We actually had these trade ideas on this 26k, and we had a flash wick last Friday on October that actually would have put us in profit. So another great trade and another great review. So if you want to watch that trade breakdown, go back to last week and check that video out. But for now, I generally have the same thesis here, is if we can break down and break this support now, because we've retested it multiple times, we can finally potentially get a sell-off on the retest of this structure. Now if we coincide this resell on this sell on this structure with the swing trading idea, then that goes on our day trading. We've got a sell idea and a sell bias, and from the swing trading we also have a sell bias as an overall as well. So that's some things for you guys to take away, to break down and understand. Is like, look at the overall markets from a higher time frame, look at them from a day trading perspective, and combine that idea to be able to get your trades. Now your swing trade ideas can sometimes often go against your day trade ideas, which is fine because day trade is in and out, but the most important thing is to set your risk, set your reward, and get your trading from there. So this is just another pattern I wanted to show you guys today, is a breakout out of these trend lines, a push onto the downside, and they've come to the next key level. So now we've got a break on this trend line again, push down to the next key level, and if we break below, we can get sells. If we bounce and push higher, then we just need to wait for another pattern recognition and see where the market is going to take us. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we've got way more guides and way more exciting content coming for you guys soon. So we'll see you in the next video. Champ out. Peace.